I don't know how to use tools. Call me stupid or whatever, but this is a man's job, not mine.
Hey, good man. Would you mind coming downstairs for us?
Yeah, I'll be right there. I live on the 3rd floor and they're like refusing to deliver it to my door. I used to like ride in the back of this older boy's car while he was going 100 miles per hour. If you clicked on this video, you're here for my living room. This has been my dream living room for 2 years since my last apartment. I gaslit the fuck out of myself and said that I'm gonna decorate, but every single year I never do. 1, it's expensive. 2, I'm lazy. And 3, furnitures take forever to arrive. So at that point I sort of lose motivation and I don't see the point in waiting and decorating anymore. And then fast forward, I'm already halfway into my lease, so what's the point of even decorating? But this time, here I am sitting in my dream Pinterest board living room. Since the holidays is over, this Christmas tree has got to go, and I think I might put a desk right here so I could study and edit videos. I wanted to keep my relationship offline, but in this video, I sucked at putting together furniture and I couldn't have done it without my boyfriend, and it was really hard to film everything without him being in frame. So I'm like, whatever. In this video, you're going to meet my significant other. First, we gotta do some planning. Interior design is just not my thing. So the first step of this whole thing is to pick our inspiration. I will show you guys my mood board. I like things to be very clean, simple, a little bit of modern, all neutrals. So these are my inspos that I have. White couch for sure. Okay, next crucial step is I want to educate myself a little bit about interior designing because obviously I'm not an interior designer. Started downloading a book from Audible. It's called From Bleak to Beautiful about interior designing so I can learn a little bit about what I'm trying to go for. For example, my curtains are up to the ceiling and that basically gives you an illusion of having a high ceiling even though I don't have a high ceiling. And this is all available through Audible. If you guys are interested in downloading Audible, you can go ahead to www.audible.com/Mukda to get your 30-day free trial as a new member. Been a member for probably half a decade. We've done some pre-planning for the last several months because I wanted to make sure that I pick something that is very much me, not something that I'm gonna be like, yeah, I enjoy this, and then the next year I hate it. Today is the day where I get my dream couch. I've been wanting a white couch for the longest time, you guys, since last year at my other apartment, but I ended up never going through with it because I didn't want to spend the money. But I found, I think, the perfect cloud couch dupe for a really, really affordable price in my opinion, because usually a good white couch goes around $3,000 to $4,000. This couch, I got it on a deal on a Black Friday sale. I got it for $1,800, so it wasn't even that bad. So I'm like so excited. I've been waiting for this all day, but I'm gonna prepare for the couch. I'm gonna mop and clean and vacuum.
Downstairs for us?
Yeah, I'll be right there. I live on the 3rd floor and they're like refusing to deliver it to my door. Couch reveal tomorrow morning because I want you guys to see it in the daytime. Good morning, it is now the next day. The TV is up and I put down my IKEA carpet or rug. Doug loves this thing. Like, he thinks that it's made for him and that it's his gigantic dog bed. Look at this couch, you guys. It is so comfortable. It's literally worth every single penny. I already got Chick-fil-A sauce on my freaking couch, you guys, but it's okay. You know why? Because this couch is washable. Yeah, washable. Oh my god, it's so bad. Okay, so it started with this and I used some type of like upholster cleaner and now there's like a big fat stain. I'm literally so mad at myself. And before you say Mukda, like, why would you sit on your white couch like a dumb bitch that you are and eat Chick-fil-A on there. I didn't. I was eating Chick-fil-A in my kitchen and I got Chick-fil-A sauce on my elbow without knowing it, and then I sat on the couch. That painting right there, she is gorgeous and beautiful. I had it made from someone from Etsy. I had it last year. I kept her in this box for a year. I'm thinking of getting white curtains on this window, also on this window right here. Do you see this? Another curtain on this window. My only problem is, who is gonna tell me that curtains are expensive? Who? I have been going to Crate and Barrel at least once a week to look at curtains. And I'm praying that the price would drop. And I know you guys are like, why don't you go to Macy's or go to Walmart or go to Target? I've tried. Those curtains just aren't exactly what I'm looking for, and I definitely want to invest in good furniture. But with the curtains that I found at Macy's and Kohl's, they look awful, okay? If you ever been to a frat bros pad or like a frat house and they have curtains, that's what the curtains look like. And I'm like, no, no, no. I want tall curtains, sheer, that will just make this room just immaculate, okay? Did you get my vibe? Yeah, I've been to more than a handful of frat houses in the past. Not something that I take pride in. A lot of my college friends back in the day, no, I was actually in high school. I was such a horrible child. Like if my daughter is anything like me back then, I literally would, I don't know what I would do with her. I had older college friends when I was 16, and then I would go hang out with them at like college towns and stuff. Literally, I couldn't even drive yet, but I remember I used to like ride in the back of this older boy's car while he was going 100 miles per hour and they were hotboxing the car. Like, what, Mukda? Are you okay? That's the reason why I'm like domesticated now, because I was a psychopath in the past. Now I'm more like, let me cook and clean, let me stay home, let me have one drink and that's it. Let me go to bed at 9 p.m. Let me wake up early in the morning and go to the gym.
Are you a little potato? I love you so much.
Oh, by the way, I was never a dog person. I was a cat person. Can you believe it? And I never understood why people were so obsessed with dogs. I was like,
Why do people even care about dogs? They're not even that special.
you know, I was wrong. I was a walking red flag. Literally, my world revolves around this animal that's laying in my arms. I will not date or even talk or even entertain a guy who doesn't like dogs. Because speaking from experience, the fact that I didn't like dogs, I was a walking red flag. It's beginning of December. I bought this Christmas tree from Home Depot. Who would have thought that Home Depot has like the cutest, prettiest Christmas tree? And it's already up, but I'm gonna be decorating it today. She is stunning. Here, duck. The heaviest part is I don't want to scratch it or like crush my fingers. Holy freaking poo, she is so pretty. Ta-da! So this is table 1 of 2. I think the other table is coming in a couple of days. So I'm thinking these curtains are something that's like super duper sheer. The sheer curtains are actually like 40 bucks cheaper. I wouldn't be mad if I go with the shears just because it saves me money. I ordered the sheer curtains and see how it looks though. So the only problem is my boyfriend isn't home. I don't know how to use tools. Call me stupid or whatever, but this is a man's job, not mine. Last time I ordered this mirror from Amazon and it was broken. So we will see if this one is intact or not. Tap tap on the booty. There.
It just needs to settle.
Is she broken? Yay! Okay, so we have no home for the mirror. I'm thinking maybe after the Christmas tree is down, we can put it in that corner.
It's not distorted at all. It's really high quality.
Right? Affordable for the price, because usually these mirrors go for a lot.
Bedhead, my cowlick. It's actually, I showered today. It's just, my hair was wet and I put on a hat.
So I got these curtains from Amazon, which I'm very, very happy with. They were $26 for 2. The length is perfect. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with the length. I'm just gonna let it hang off the floor just a little bit. So I would say it's worth the price. I got to show you guys the new addition to the family is this TV stand that I have been wanting. I wanted it last year when I moved into my old apartment and I just couldn't get myself to buy it, and then I bought it on sale for Black Friday from Castlery. Very much worth it. Like, I think this is my favorite thing besides the couch, the painting, the chandelier, the coffee tables. This is beautiful. I want to keep this forever. Okay, I love it, and for the price, I love it even more. Guys, what do we think? This is literally like magnificent. Okay, for this, it's giving me anxiety, but we're gonna hide the cord, I promise. And it opens up. I'm gonna keep it closed though, but it opens up and you can leave it open, have some decorations right there, but I like it closed. I'm so happy. This is worth every single penny. This little thing is from Amazon. Doesn't that look cool? Do you guys like my new apartment? Yes or no? If you could please just give this video a thumbs up, because it literally took me a couple months to make this. Several trips I took to IKEA for this. I will see you guys in my next video.